Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this Motorola. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down, then choose Privacy section. Now you need to click on Permission Manager and click on one of those options. I will go with Camera. Over here you need to select one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see now Chrome has access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then select an app that you wish to control. I will go with Location to control my maps. Then you need to click on See All Maps Permissions instead over here and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!